This will be the base color. And some gold glitter. Transfer foil gel. And flower foils. I used this one this time. I applied base color already. Apply transfer foil gel. Cure 30 seconds. I'll use this pattern. Take a closer look. It's not perfect, but it's okay. It's manageable. Much better. This one's okay. Use this color. Blend pink on top of the pattern. It's time for glitter. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed video, please hit the like and subscribe.